Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there lived a sweet little bird named Nightingale. She was known for her enchanting voice, and her songs were like magic to all the creatures in the forest. Every night, the nightingale would perch on a high branch and begin to sing. Her melodies flowed through the trees, filling the forest with a symphony of sounds. One night, the nightingale was feeling under the weather. She felt a little sick and didn't want to sing. But she knew that her songs brought joy to everyone, so she decided to try her best. As she began to sing, her voice was weaker than usual. But the forest creatures didn't mind. They listened closely, their eyes filled with love and support. Suddenly, a tiny mouse crept up to the nightingale. "Don't worry," she said, "I have some medicine for you." The nightingale was touched by the mouse's kindness. She accepted the medicine and took a small sip. In just a moment, she felt better. With renewed energy, the nightingale began to sing again. This time, her voice was stronger than ever. The forest was filled with a beautiful symphony that made everyone smile. From that day on, the nightingale and the tiny mouse became the best of friends. And every night, the forest was filled with the sweet sound of the nightingale's voice. The end. The story teaches children the importance of friendship, kindness, and perseverance. It also highlights the power of a positive attitude, even when one is feeling under the weather. The Nightingale's story is a reminder that with help and support, we can overcome any obstacle.